With a length overall of 46 feet 7 inches and a 14-foot 6-inch beam, Cruiser's 46 Cantius provides a comfortable on-water retreat for you and your guests. The 46 is powered by Volvo IPS 600s and has a top speed of 35 miles per hour and a cruising speed of 30 miles per hour. She falls right in line with the Cantius's high-performance standards. Below deck, the accommodations level integrates 2 large staterooms and 2 roomy heads, with the full-beam master suite positioned aft. As you enter the master suite, there's a large closet with a service access. One thing you'll notice throughout the 46 is a smart use of space, and storage can be found everywhere. This combination washer and dryer is convenient too. The master head is large and luxurious. It features a glass stall shower, designer fixtures, and again, more storage. A sizable VIP stateroom is equal to the master suite in comfort and luxury. A queen-size island berth gives your guests the exquisite comforts of home. It too has its own large private head, with a glass stall shower and designer fixtures offered standard. A few comfortable steps up to the main deck, you'll find a lounge-positioned port and a starboard command station. From the bolster helm chair, you have 360 degrees of visibility. The helm is outfitted with digital controls, joystick, and touchscreen electronics, and an opening sunroof. Just aft, a fully equipped galley includes an entertainment center, stainless refrigerator freezer, dual burner cooktop stove, microwave, stainless sink with designer faucet, overhead storage, and additional storage almost everywhere you look. A U-shaped dinette comfortably seats 4 or more when entertaining family and friends. Moving up these wide side decks, you feel safe and secure. An upper grab rail and sturdy bow rail enhance security. You feel comfortable even underway. Cabana-style seating features adjustable lounge chairs with an integrated cocktail table between. Soft LED lighting illuminates the entire space. With the refrigerator and grill positioned on the transom, the cockpit feels very roomy. And with the sliding glass doors fully opened, a single-level open-air entertainment terrace is created. The 14-foot 6-inch beam really stands out on the transom. There's room for a small party. And the platform is submersible too. A stainless grill, a storage locker that holds all your dockside connections, and an integrated swim ladder complete the features on this amazing new yacht. The 46 Cantius is another enduring design in the Cantius lineup. She's part of a fleet that's been refined and crafted for almost a decade. Come see trailer for yourself. We'll see you on the water.